Hello, welcome to day 2 of ESOL instruction for newcomers grade 3 to 5. I'm Mr. Ebeling, your ESOL teacher. Hope everyone is doing well. This presentation is based on the grade 3 to 5 newcomer ESOL day 2 packet. Here's a picture of the packet. These paper packets can be picked up at meal distribution centers throughout Baltimore. The center closest to Highlandtown Elementary Middle School is John Brewer Elementary School. The school address is 701 Rapola Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. If you haven't been there yet, I would definitely recommend going. They've got free meals and these work packets that will help you to continue to learn English while you are at home. On this page of the packet, we see the materials that we will need, the objective, and important words to learn. The materials that we will need today are a pencil, paper, and crayons or markers. Our objective is to tell how mommy birds take care of their babies and what birds need to survive. Important words to focus on are bird, nest, chick, feed, survive, and chirping. On this picture, we will examine a picture of birds. What do you notice about this picture? What is in the picture? What do you know about this? What do you wonder? When I look at this picture, I notice two birds sitting on a nest on a tree. I wonder if there are any eggs or chicks in the nest and what kind of birds these are. This page has the vocabulary that we need to focus on: bird, nest, chick, feed, survive, and chirping. The bird is chirping. The bird is feeding the chicks. This is a bird. The next page has vocabulary to use in writing a sentence. The words are bird, nest, feather, wing, tree, hatch, worm, and birdhouse. These are the sentences that I might write. Birds have feathers. There is a birdhouse in the tree. Birds hatch in a nest. Birds eat worms. Birds have two wings. On this page, there is a crossword to make using words at the bottom of the page. Remember, you will not use all the words. On the next page, we are to match the birds with their nests. This will be a little difficult unless you can find the answers on the internet or in a book. This page instructs us to look at the diagram below and the parts of a pigeon. A pigeon is a bird that you can see in Baltimore. Slate gray head and neck with shiny greenish purple iridescence on the neck. Chest, belly, and wings are lighter in color with two dark bands across the wings. Tail is gray with a darker band across the end. On this page, you are to label and color the parts of the pigeon on the following diagram. On the next page and on the top of the following page is a text to read. The text is about the great blue heron. A bunch of chicks hatch from eggs. Chicks are baby birds. They belong to a mommy bird. The mommy bird knows her young ones are hungry, so they will need to eat. She knows she has to go and get food for them. The mommy bird is big and tall. She is a very good hunter. She is very good at catching fish. She is a great blue heron, and she has sharp eyes that can see very well. She also can move her bill very fast. The bird's nest is up high in a tall oak tree. The chicks are hungry. The mommy bird flies away. She is going to the bay to find food. She flies through the air. The sun is out. There are no clouds. A cool wind is blowing. The mommy bird likes the free feeling of flying. The mommy bird arrives at the bay quickly because the bay is close to the nest. After the mommy bird lands, she starts to wait. She stands still in the water and watches. Sometimes she walks very slowly. She is still or moves very slowly because she is waiting for a fish to swim close to her. When one fish does swim close, she uses her bill to catch it. The mommy bird snatches up the fish and swallows it whole. Now she has food and can feed her babies. The mommy bird flies back to the nest. Her chicks are chirping away. Their feathers are fluffy and their little bird faces are cute. They are ready to be fed. The mommy bird regurgitates the fish that she swallowed. This means that she brings the food she swallowed back up to her mouth. Ew! The mommy bird opens her mouth. Then she drops the food into the nest. The chicks eat the food and soon they are full. The mommy bird knows she has done her job. This is how the mommy bird makes sure that her young ones will grow up to be big and strong. This is how she helps them survive. After reading the text, we are to listen to words that you know and new words. Then we are to answer these questions. What is the problem that the mommy bird faces? What would happen to chicks if the mommy bird could not get food? The problem that the mommy bird faces is that she needs to get food for her babies. If the mommy bird could not get food, the chicks would die. This last part of the packet asks us to think about what we have learned. What else do you want to know about birds? What have you learned about birds? This page has links to activities and resources to visit if you have internet access. Tomorrow we will learn more about spring. We will learn about bugs. The last page of the packet shows us some additional vocabulary about spring, asking us also about the weather. Today is another sunny day, a few clouds in the sky. This is the end of the presentation. Please complete as much of the packet as you can if you have one. More presentations will be posted as they are created. Remember to be safe, stay 6 feet away from people when you are away from your home, and wash hands as often as you can. Goodbye for now, Mr. Ebeling.